Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to learn about some of the important components that we use in our electronics. These are the things that control our electricity as we like. Just like a tap. We want hot water or cold water. If we want to mix the hot and cold water and bring it to a certain temperature we like, we just want it warm, not too cold, not too hot. We want to control the flow of the water. We want more water, less water. We want as we want. So this is how we control the flow of water. Same way we can control the flow of electricity as we want. So for that we use some of the important components. These are the hidden heroes. We have resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, IC chip, microcontrollers. You will find all of them in every robot or device, electronic device you want to use. So let's understand it in our platform. In Autodesk, I am just going to use this project again, tinker this. Here I'm just going to delete all of it. I have to delete all the components separately along with the nodes. Now let's see what we had. First of all, we have a resistor. This is a resistor. When we take a component, we can see the properties of that component here. I can change the name here as resistor 1, and how much resistance do we have here, we can change it from here and change the unit as well. We are going to learn a little bit about this. And next thing we have here is a capacitor. Okay, so first of all we have a resistor, then we have a capacitor. In the capacitor I can change the name as well and change the capacitance, the how much electricity does it hold. Then we have diodes. Okay, this is a diode, LED. We can search here for diode as well. And we have diodes here as well. I'm just going to bring it here. So this is a diode, and the thing that we use most of the time is LED. That is a diode as well. Okay, and we can change the color here. We don't have the capacity here, but we have the color here for our LED. I want it, let's say blue, it is turned to blue. Let's say white, it is white now. So we can change the color as we like. I am just going to keep it red for now. And this is another diode. Okay, we have resistor, we have capacitor, then LED, that is a diode. Then we have a transistor. I have these transistors. Okay, with transistors I do have switches, I have push button, and I have side switch. Okay, so these are basically transistor, and these are the switches that I can turn a thing on and off. Then we have ICs, integrated circuits. We have some of the ICs here, and then we have microcontrollers. Okay, Arduino Uno, it is a microcontroller by itself, but the microcontroller is this part. You can see this part here small. This is microcontroller. I don't want it. I am just going to take this one here. That is a microcontroller. So these are some of the most important components that we use in all of the electronic component devices and our robots. So we are going to study them one by one, what they do and how they react. Okay, see you in the next module. Bye bye now.